I'm Rob Kircher, and welcome to our 1905 cottage restoration. This is an ongoing series of episodes with my wife Barbara and I restoring this once diamond in the rough behind me. Now, we've made lots of improvements over the last year, but there are still many more challenges yet to be overcome. There are plumbing problems, electrical problems, insulation problems, and a myriad of other problems still hidden within her walls. And trust me, folks, they are there. Now, call us crazy, and we probably are, but we believe that we can turn it into an absolute showstopper. So stay with us as we spend time, money, and effort transforming this old cottage into an incredible restoration. Well, coming up in this episode, we're going to be ripping out the old bathroom, tearing out that ugly shower unit and replacing it with an amazing unit that's got an incredible tile that you just won't believe until you actually see it. And Barbara, of course, worked her magic with the interior design. The wallpaper is out of sight. Well, you just have to wait and see it because it is absolutely beautiful. There's no question about it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And as usual, folks, it is most appreciated. And here comes Marvin with the top of the bathroom sink, which is going to the curb. So there's toilet out. So that's the old one, and pretty soon we're going to have all new fixtures in here. And Barbara, say hello, Barbara.
Hello.
Is going to be very happy about all that.
Yikes.
That does not fool around here. It looks like it's seen better days. Well, this is a big day for us. The shower door, which arrived yesterday. Shower is all tiled, and it's got the bullnose edges, which we love. And it's got the soap dishes on both sides. And today is going to be the grouting day. So all this is going to be grouted, and it's really going to take on an even more amazing dimension, if you will. Then the fixtures go in, and the last thing that has to happen will be the door. And the door will be installed on Friday. So Saturday is a big day. We can actually take our first shower. Well, here it is in all its glory. This is our fabulous new bathroom, amazing shower, incredible wallpaper, and I think Barbara has done just an amazing job with the interior design. It's absolutely exquisite. As you enter through the bathroom door, immediately to your right is a collage of mirrors and also some mementos that we picked up on one of our trips to Venice. As I pan the camera, you can get another view of this incredible wallpaper that Barbara found, and people just rave about it. And then at the bottom of that frame right now, you can see the two new doors that we have for that cabinet. So here's our amazing shower head. Absolutely love it. And a good view, if you will, of these incredible tiles is there are 4 distinctly different patterns. And as I go to my right, it just continues. As I mentioned before, it's like going into a spa. See that Barbara has again done her magic on this wall with incredible decor and amazing wallpaper. And this is a wonderful framed Japanese mat. And coming around, you'll see that Barbara again made a great decision in painting that vanity black. Absolutely amazing. Just looks so fabulous and so elegant there. And you turn it this way, and we have the remainder of our bathroom. And it just couldn't be more wonderful, to be honest with you. It turned out absolutely incredible. Our second floor tour begins at the bottom of our stairs and works our way up. And at the base of the stairway, we have this wonderful old print that we inherited when we bought the house 2 years ago. They left it in the house for us. And it's a wonderful article by the Rochester Herald. This is way before the Democrat and Chronicle and the Times-Union. And the date line is Rochester, New York, Sunday, September 10, 1905. And it's got some wonderful photos and little descriptions about summer life at Forest Lawn. We absolutely love it. Now heading upstairs, this wonderful carpet, by the way, is 100% wool and it'll last forever, long before we're around. Looking down the staircase, you can see the handrails to the right and to the left, obviously. We have a bifold door at the bottom there that takes us into the living room. And to the right is all the wainscoting that we added. And as we continue upstairs, we have this wonderful old jug that we've had forever. And it just seems like it belongs there. And then to the left of that is one of my prized Haitian art paintings that dates back to 1936. And it's a depiction of a voodoo ceremony in a cemetery in Haiti. And here's a closer look at that painting. Absolutely love it. Spectacular painting. Looking towards the banister, again, we've got the wainscoting on this side, and that banister was almost hanging over. It was practically on the floor. Looking north, this is the door to our bedroom, and that's one of those wonderful knobs that matches the handrails, and of course that continues into our master bedroom. The floor in our master bedroom is that wonderful yellow pine, and we have an oriental rug that we've had forever, and the coziest bed you can absolutely imagine, and that view looks north at Lake Ontario. The walls in our master bedroom feature a collection of Patricia Burr watercolors that we're quite fond of, and they are reminiscent of many of the areas in upstate New York. To the side of our bed are 4 more Patricia Burr watercolors, and these are probably our favorite because they're all about doors and windows. Turning north towards Lake Ontario, we have 2 more Patricia Burrs that are on either side of that wonderful bank of windows. And turning full circle, there's a delightful little window right there that looks across to our neighbor's house. And of course, heading back out past more Patricia Burrs as talked about earlier and into our hallway. And then further down the hallway is Barbara's office. The first thing you'll see is this wonderful Tibetan area rug that we bought in Key West many years ago. And that, of course, is partially covering the yellow pine flooring that's original to the house. And then that is the desk. It's a shaker style desk, a writing desk I built for Barbara a number of years ago. And to the left from Nantucket, we bought this wonderful milk paint. It's a blue color, and that's the chest of drawers that is absolutely fantastic. And that's a wonderful jug that we have with some eucalyptus in it and some paintings on either side of the walls. And we love it because it's all that old wainscoting. You can make a left-hand turn and go down the hallway, and to the right is the entrance to my office, and then straight ahead is the guest bedroom. And with all the floors in our upstairs rooms, they have this marvelous old yellow pine flooring, which is absolutely fantastic. This is another great area rug that we purchased, and that comes from Tibet as well. And then to the left, you can see a doorknob that matches the hand railings going upstairs. And then here is some prints that we have and some model ships and so on. And here's another look in the guest bedroom that again points north and also east. And on the wall we've got some prints that we acquired once again in Nantucket. Above the bed is these great headboards that we added to the room, and they came from India, and they're hand carved. Here's some more paintings in our gallery hallway. And then the last room is my office, and once again it has that wonderful yellow pine flooring in it. We have the wrought iron doorknob to the left, which matches the railings, and then you see my messy desk, but the room is quite large, and it looks east right there to Rob Kircher's house. So as we turn, this again is my messy desk, and as I mentioned, it's hydraulic, so it rises and lowers at will. I could have numerous positions, so I can stand there and write, or I can sit, however I choose to do it. And then continuing into the room, it's a very large room, and those windows face south towards the park. And I can sit here and watch my favorite shows, the Buffalo Bills, etc. So it's just a great room. And of course it has these beautiful yellow pine flooring. Now coming up in our next episode, we're going to be putting in a brand new but old mantle over our fireplace. But what do I mean by that? Well, you have to stay tuned and watch out, because it's a very interesting episode. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And always, folks, it is most appreciated. Thank you so much.